It's your girl Yulissa. Yuli. My hair is a little wild and crazy. I've been sick for a while now, so I look a little drained. I can't sleep, but I wanted to do a video today. My mom's cooking. I went to my mom's house yesterday to visit her, and as you can tell, I am Puerto Rican and black. My mother is Puerto Rican. So I actually haven't had rice in a while. She made yellow rice with chicken and green beans. She made more stuff, but I can't really eat too much right now. I'm not supposed to be eating beans, so I'll probably be picking that out the rice. But these actually look like peas, so I'm still just gonna stay away from it, just in case I keep having bad reactions. But I love yellow rice. I haven't had it in so long, so when my mom does make it, she sends me a plate. So good. Oh my god. I haven't had rice in so long. I really can't be eating these beans, so I'm gonna pick them out. So good. Oh my god. And it's like 9 in the morning, but I don't care. I've been craving this. I can't really eat much, so this is so good. Chicken. I know when she was making it, she was saying how she almost burned it. The chicken, rice. Let's see that. Yum yum. Excuse my outfit. Like I said, I'm in pajamas. I was so hungry. I was craving the rice. Yeah, so good. Take my medicine. But I just want to do a quick video because I haven't uploaded, so I will make more videos. And I'm still learning everything, so I have a lot to work on. But I just wanted to upload again because it's been a while since I have. Well, no, my toes are swollen. But delicious. My mom's rice and beans. Maybe I'll do a video on how she made it. So good. Good job, Mom. Love ya. Stay tuned for more videos.